Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up RoboKiller on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store on your phone. Search for RoboKiller, download and install the app. Once the app is installed, tap Open. When RoboKiller opens, you may be asked to sign up or sign in. Follow the on-screen steps to create your account. This usually takes only a minute. After signing in, RoboKiller will guide you through the setup. RoboKiller will now ask for permissions. Tap Allow when asked for notification contacts and call blocking access. These permissions are important so RoboKiller can block spam calls and notify you. Next, RoboKiller may ask you to turn on call blocking in your iPhone settings. Go to iPhone settings on your phone, then tap on phone. After that, scroll down and tap on call blocking and identification. Find RoboKiller and turn the switch on. Now RoboKiller can block spams and scam calls automatically. On the RoboKiller home screen, make sure spam protection shown as active. This means RoboKiller is now working in the background. And that's it. You have successfully set up RoboKiller on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.